Hello guys, this is Abhishek from Dr. Tech Vlogs, and I'm going to review a helmet that I've recently brought from Wellington. This is from Axor, and you have a range of products of Axor available, and this is the model about Hunter. This is the Hunter model. Let's unbox it. First of all, I've unboxed it because I bought it from Wellington, as I told you, so I had to check these details. I'll give you the link of Wellington in the description below. And the store that I brought it from was Dadaji Stores, which is quite famous for its unique helmets. They have a range of products. You can go ahead starting from I think 300 to around 5,000, 6,000. Even they have 10,000 rupees helmet. Okay, so that depends, and they are quite helpful. My Wellington tour will be soon uploaded, and there are a lot of videos that are upcoming. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing sorted. To start off with, we have this good packaging. It's a good packaging. It's Axor written over here. It's a full face helmet. It's a full face helmet, and you have here an option about the Axor Apex Hunter. It's a large size, which fits my size. I would recommend you to try your helmets before you go ahead. And I've seen in Flipkart or Amazon, I'm not sure, that there's a way where you can measure your scalp and your head size through a band, and you can try that as well, but do check whether the helmet fits you properly or not. Otherwise, I would suggest do not go ahead with a costly helmet or a cheap helmet which doesn't fit your scalp. Okay, so yeah, it's first of all, yeah, it definitely it's quite aerodynamic. You can see out here it's written very clearly. It's aerodynamic design, and it is DOT certified, which is for US, and EC certified, which is for Europe. Okay, so we get this nice little package over here, and okay, we get some sticker and a small visor if you want to. The lady over there had fixed the visor already. I'll show you the details for this. We have some stickers over here. You see, this is one of the reflectors. This is the Axor sticker, and you have a blood group as well. I'll show you. So you have the blood group one over here. Okay, keeping this aside, okay, this particularly was provided to me by the lady. It's almost for free. This is from Studs, but she gave it to me as a goodwill gesture because this particular helmet costs around 5,000 rupees. I got the entire package for 4,900. Do let me know whether you can get it at a better deal or not. Although I've seen in Amazon and all, and Flipkart, I think as well. I'll share the description of the others, that is the Venomous and the Hunter as well, in the description. Around it will cost you around 4,900, and I got the same thing for 4,900. I just paid for the convenience there because I need to see how the helmet fits me. That is personal choice. You can go ahead for your. This is a headband which you must be wearing, as she told me again, so that it doesn't hurt your scalp, as well as it doesn't affect your hair, and it doesn't affect the padding of your costly helmet, and as well as your helmet, to be very precise, every helmet. So this is again a compulsory thing. You get a nice package over here, and you can use it as a bag as well for your college. Definitely a good quality microfiber inside. And yeah, this is the helmet. This is the helmet that you will be getting. This is the package. Yes, you can go ahead. I'll just keep the helmet aside and show you the bag first. You can pull it. You can carry your helmet. You can carry your stuff out here. And yes, you can take it, carry it. Okay, this is your helmet. First of all, speciality, a lot of things are there to tell you. This has a unique design. It has two eyes. It has got a vent, a back vent, which comes with a big as well as a small hood. And then over here you can see it's written final QC certified, .EC certified, ISI mark. Again, it has removable paddings inside. You have got a chin support. Everything is removable. Okay. So again, you have a double D lock. It's not a single clip lock. It's a double D lock. This has dual visor. First, this is the visor, and this is the button where you can push to extend the second visor over here. Okay, there are certain things. It is anti-scratch. The spoilers at the back are functional. You have two systems out here, three systems as in, for ventilation and the spoiler behind. It supports your Bluetooth compatible devices inside. They have a lining over there. It has pin lock 3D and it is of street style, and yeah, it's fully removable and washable as it says. Okay, so we'll go ahead, place this inside, keep the helmet here, and the front look of the helmet, as you can see, is this. Back look of the helmet, as you can see, will be this, with a beautiful graphics of Apex Hunter. Okay, let's remove the plastic now for the first time. Perfect. Well, we'll keep this aside as well as of now, just in case. It has got a pin lock and an anti-fog, which means during the rainy season or during a wet season or humid season, you won't be facing issue, or as well as the winter season, you won't be facing issue with your fog effect inside. Achha. So we go ahead, and there is a thin film layer inside as well, which ideally you need to move, but then again, just be a little cautious because that thin layer is very thin. Actually, it's very thin. So this is the layer which you need to remove for your fog support. Again, this is washable. You don't need to worry about it. I asked these people in Wellington, let me know if I'm wrong. I asked these people in Wellington whether they have any warranty or guarantee on the product whichever they are selling, especially with MT helmets and Axor helmets. So they said that the helmets doesn't come with a warranty. I checked in Axor's official website. They have not mentioned much about the warranty and how to claim it. But yeah, it does have a nose guard. Guys, do not play with your head. Rather, it's the most important. It's the CPU for system. So if you have to pay 2000 rupees extra, I would suggest don't cut down your budget on your helmet. Please don't. Here again you have one more film. So let's remove the film again. This is a little tricky because it's quite inside. You have to go with your pinky finger to get it entirely removed. Again, this is another protector which they have provided us, and this is the final product. You can see here it comes with a double D lock that I'll be showing you how to attach very soon. So for double D lock, what you need to do is you need to pass this entire thing once through both the clips. Once you have done that, neatly pull the bigger one with the red label on it, pull it out, go inside here and then clamp it. Once you have clamped it, you have to attach it to the red button, and it is very secure, guys. It is very secure. It's very secure. You can check this. It's a brand new helmet. I'm taking a little bit of risk for you, but yeah, it just won't happen. And to wear the helmet and to maneuver the helmet, I think the weight of the helmet is a little on the higher end, but yeah, it comes with protections which you can't again bargain with. So again, as she told me, got to wear this. Again, for specs users who are using specs, it will be a little tricky for you. You need to wear this first to cover your scalp. Pull it sideways a little bit because it's a new helmet. You will have a little bit of issue. So yeah, you can see it now. It looks like this, and the moment you pull it chin down, it will give you a different look altogether. And this, guys, to be very specific, this is very comfortable. It will not have any issue with your vision, I would say. Again, I am a specs user, but not of the regular purpose. But again, I'll show you if you can wear the specs or not. So yes, you can wear the specs, but again, I am not sure whether you will be able to put down the visor or not if you're wearing the specs. Yes, you can. This is awesome. I would say this is just awesome, because for my brothers who are using specs or my sisters who are using specs, it's very important for us to keep wearing them. So yeah, this is the Exor helmet review for you, and more contents are updated. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. And we'll be coming up with a lot of content very soon for you people. Thank you.